Alright, Sifu Kairesh here. I want to introduce you to this guy. Can you see him or not? This guy here is called Jivan. For those of you who don't know who Jivan is, he is my designer. Everything that you see in my class is from him. Even the name Junior Mandarin Academy, he's the one that gave me the name. Correct, right? He's a bit shy, introvert, so he's scared to talk. Shy. So he was the one that gave, because 2022 end, when I wanted to start my academy, I said, bro, I teaching children now, bro, teaching Mandarin to children, bro. So what name to put? So he said, Junior Mandarin Academy. It just came out from his mouth. Then I like, hey, that's a good idea. Name it Junior Mandarin Academy. In fact, 2017, when I wanted to do adults class, right, a 2 days master class, one day, we did an event. We did an event 2017 November 25th. I still remember. Okay, I said, bro, I want to do bro. He asked me how long is the class. So I said one day can talk Chinese. Okay, then make it Mandarin master class. That's it, Mandarin master class. Immediately I took the idea, he designed the modules, everything. Earlier, the previous video I showed you about the Mandarin Masterclass module. He is the one that designed, where I showed you the module. The entire design was done by him. There, this one. Of course, this is a newer one. The older modules, I don't know where it went. This is a newer one, Mandarin Masterclass. Okay, this is not your design, okay? But a similar one, Mandarin Masterclass. So Tabale, okay, he designed it. So, and then Junior Mandarin Academy was also designed by him. Mandarin Masterclass by him. And then this T-shirt, all of you are receiving this T-shirt. Come, I'll show you this T-shirt. You see, this T-shirt. Okay. I know Chinese, don't play. This is the T-shirt that all students will receive when they join the academy. So I know Chinese, don't play. I know Chinese is nice. Don't play is from Portugal. I think you know Portugal. No, don't play. Okay. And then this one is actually derived from Bruce Lee. I don't know where he got his picture. He put a very nice design. I don't know how he did this. It looked out to be so beautiful. I know Chinese, don't play. There's a humor in my T-shirt. Okay. So this is the design. Of course, behind the T-shirt is Junior Mandarin Academy. Actually, this design was done by my team. It's a very easy design. We use Canva and design. But anyway, the name Junior Mandarin Academy, it's a very beautiful name. He's the one that suggested the name, Jivan, my master designer. Since the day I started teaching Chinese, 2011. 2011 until today, 14 years. He is my Sifu designer. Sifu in designing. Jivan. And then for those of you who like to have some, want to contact him for designing, he can do printing, everything he can do. And then he is also an investing consultant, correct? Investing consultant. What do you do? Cerita sikit.
Making you gain your financial level.
These are all bombastic terms. You got extra money, you don't know what to do.
Yeah.
I'm going to see him. Okay. So, but of course, his main passion is actually designing. In fact, there are many other modules he designed for me long time ago. The small one, right? The Speak Mandarin 1 month. When I first started teaching Mandarin, of course, the name I came out myself. It was Speak Mandarin 1 month. But the design that actually got me a lot of inquiries. Speak Mandarin 1 month. Okay. So since he's here, he came to my house. It's actually what I'm doing this video is actually. Because I got 3 levels, alpha, beta and gamma. So this T-shirt, I've been doing this for 3 years already. 2023, 2024, 2025. It's already for a long time already design this time, so I'm asking him to come. So every student who joined beta level will get a new design. Okay, it's not just the same design change beta level. So you want something unique and different. So he's coming over. We are designing a very, very beautiful design. I can't show you the design because we are in the middle of designing. So whoever students enrolling for my next level, which is beta level, you're going to get a very new design t-shirts. Alright. See you.